Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing. It just arrived and, I figured why not open it right now. It looks a little beaten up though. I don't know how well you can see it. It's not that nice looking, so let's just open it up. And once again, the obligatory. Yeah. A lot of coupons. I thought there was a roll of toilet paper. Oh no, again, a thing that I cannot use. Oh, this might be interesting. Okay, we once again got a problem because there's no QR code. There's no QR code thingy, so yeah, we're gonna struggle. Let me just see if there is a QR code somewhere. No. Okay, so we're gonna start with the thing that I will not use, which is this here. This is the LookFantastic and So Echo Beauty Claw clip. I don't use that. My hair is very thin. I know these are specifically designed for either thicker hair or thinner hair. Like it's getting a good grip on it, but I don't use it. So that is going. I'm gonna unravel the toilet paper thingy here. It's a candle. The Ritual of Sakura candle. Oh, that smells really good though. But yeah, it's a candle. Oh, hold on, my dog is seeing someone. So yeah, I don't know how much this is. It doesn't say it. Yeah, a Rituals candle. It smells super great, but a candle? We have it, it's nice to have, sure. And then I just realized this would be a very short video because I don't have much to talk about. When you have the QR code, you at least get a bit more information, but the First Aid Beauty facial radiance pads with glycolic and lactic acids, safe for sensitive skin. Wipe pad across face, neck and décolleté once or twice daily after cleansing, dispose in trash or compost after use. So right after cleansing, before serum, right? How many in here? 10 pads. Well, that's actually quite a lot. Once or twice daily. I think I will start once daily. Because I don't know how my skin is going to react to that, but okay, that's cool to have. I mean, the candle is also cool to have. This is like Sakura is like cherry blossom. So first off, you don't know if people are going to love that scent or not. Second off, you might have people that don't like burning candles. I mean, you could regift it, I guess, right? But now okay, we're gonna continue with this because I'm excited for that. This is the Nude Sticks Magnetic Matte Eye Color in taupe. I will zoom in for that. That's what that one looks like. I will just put that on my skin. Ooh. If this was not a cream shadow, this might have been perfect for my brows. Okay, I can definitely use that. The thing is, it's a cream shadow, so it's rather dark for me personally. And the way I do makeup, or eye makeup, is I do a light color on the lid and then something dark in the crease, and maybe on the lower lashes too. But this is a cream, so I don't think it will work on top of a matte shadow or a lighter shadow, you know what I mean? I feel like you have to use that on its own. I will get it. I will try that, definitely. So that is one. Hold on, let me immediately write that down because otherwise I forget. This is one additional shadow in my collection. It's funny with the candle, for example. They wrapped that nicely. They made sure that nothing would break. Hold on, let me just do this because otherwise I forget it. Nude Sticks. So where was it? Oh yeah. With the candle, they wrapped that in nicely and made sure that nothing would break. But you had boxes where you had nail polish in or other glass containers, and there was no protection whatsoever. But the candle, they protect the candle. Oh, it is very hard to move. Okay, now it's off. Okay, so I'm excited for two things, and then I like the candle, but I'm not loving the candle. It's nice to have, but I'd rather have something else maybe. Okay, so this is the Cetaphil Hydrating Foaming Cream Cleanser. Dry to normal sensitive skin. Nourishing cream to foam that removes dirt, oil and makeup without drying the skin barrier. It's a very, very small bottle. 29 milliliters. What do you mean 29 milliliters? Why not 30? I'm someone. Is it OCD actually? Or is it like a form of OCD? Like when I'm listening to radio, I cannot have it on 13, right? Like the volume. I cannot have the volume at 13. It needs to be at 12 or 14. I don't like uneven numbers. So yeah, like, what do you mean 29 milliliters? Come on. Smells like nothing at all, so I would definitely try that one out. I currently have a face cleanser. It is a bit dry, so if this is not drying, I actually love that. Oh god, this is the Hair Gain Leave-In Scalp Treatment. Reduce hair shed, get thicker and fuller hair. Scalp foam. Use on dry or towel-dried hair. Divide hair into sections and massage evenly into the scalp and hairline. No need to rinse. Use once per day. Use between 7 to 10 pumps per use, or enough to cover entire scalp. Style hair as normal. The problem is this is a foam now, right? I mean, it should work on dry hair, right? I'm just going to do this section here. If this makes my hair oily, I will yell. Ooh, that smells good. It actually smells good. Style as you normally would, so just the thing is, I don't style my hair. I'm actually thinking about getting a fringe or bangs, whatever you call them. It actually smells really good, really fresh. That was it. That was everything that was in the box. I'm not that mad, but also like you get a hair clip and a candle. You know what I mean? Like, and coupons. Can't forget about the coupons. Let me know if you tried any of these products. I'm actually really excited for this one. I still don't know how I'm going to use it. Maybe I'll just use it on my lower lash line. I don't know. We will see. But yeah, these are all things that might come in handy. Like the candle I can burn right now, right? I would definitely use that one up. A cleanser is nice to have. The acid pads are nice to have. This as well. This we will see. How's it gonna work? I might do this in the evening before I go to bed. That was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you next one.